Verma, your own Montessori teacher. I am back with another video of phonic sounds, especially for my tiny tots. Yes, आज का वीडियो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों के लिए. As we have learned phonic sounds in our previous video, today we are going to practice phonic sounds. तो बच्चों आज तैयार हो जाइए phonic sounds practice करने के लिए with नूतन मैम. तो अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि what are these phonic sounds? क्या होता है phonic sounds? I'll tell you. Phonic sounds are nothing but the sounds of 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay? So, how does it work? जैसे हम name of the letters सीखते हैं A, B, C, D, तो वैसे ही हमें phonics भी सीखना पड़ता है, sound of the letters भी ABA, CADA. अब हमें phonics क्यों सीखना है? इसकी क्या जरूरत है? आप सब सोच रहे होंगे. हमारी जितनी भी इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस हैं, जैसे कि हिंदी, पंजाबी, कन्नड़ा, इन सब में क्या होता है कि जो नेम ऑफ द अक्षर एंड द साउंड ऑफ द अक्षर इज सेम. ओके, नेम ऑफ द लेटर एंड द साउंड ऑफ द लेटर इज सेम. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क से कबूतर, ख से खरगोश, आइंदा अरसा, आइंदा आने. समझ में आया आपको कि लेटर का नेम और उसकी साउंड बिल्कुल सेम है. बट इन द केस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज it's not like that. Name of the letter and sound of the letter is different. Okay, so today we will practice the sound of 26 letters in English alphabet. Shall we start? Great. So you have to practice with me, speak with me. Let's start. So here we have our first letter, which is A. Yes. So how does A make sound? A makes sound A. A. जैसे कि जब कुछ बाइट करता है तो हम कैसे साउंड करते हैं? A. So that is the sound of letter A. Okay? A, apple, a, ant. Our next letter is B. Letter B. How does letter B sound? B says B. 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 Baba ball, Baba bat. You are understanding now? Good. So our next letter is C. How does C make sound? C makes K. So it's a mixture of K and K. Generally we make a very common mistake. We say K, but it's not K, it's K. Okay? So हमें कैसे बोलना है? K. K. Cake, car. Okay, so just keep in mind. Next letter we have is D. How does D make sound? D says D. 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 The doll, the drum. The next letter we have is E. How does E make sound? E says elephant, egg. You're getting it now? Yeah, keep practicing with me. So the next letter is F. Very good. How does F make sound? It's ये देखिए मेरे अपर टीथ मेरे लिप को टच कर रहे हैं. फ फिश, फ फैन. हमें बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं देना है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट लेटर वी हैव इज G. हाउ डज G मेक साउंड? G सेज ग. ग ग ग ग गर्ल, ग ग goat. The next letter we have is H. Yes. Now H says जब आप टायर्ड होते हो तो आप कैसे करते हो? Yes, that's the sound of letter H. Ha hat, ha house. Let's move on to the next letter. The next letter is I. I make sound E. It's a sound E. 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 Insect. E. E. Igloo. Shall we move on to the next letter? Yes, the next letter is J. Very good. Now, J says J. 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 Jug. J. J. Jam. Okay? You getting it? The next letter we have is K. How does K make sound? K makes K. This is here we get pure K sound. K. 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 Kite. K. K. Kangaroo. आप मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं ना? Good. Now the next letter we have is L. How does L make sound? See, look at my tongue. It says L. 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 Lala, lotus. Lala, lamb. When I am teaching you phonics, I am teaching you the sounds. Please observe my mouth organs, how I am, which particular organ I am using or twisting in which letter. ठीक है, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. तो L के बाद आपका कौन सा लेटर है? M. Good. How does M make sound, बेटा? M makes sound M. M. ऐसे होठों को दबा के देखो. M. Mama, monkey. Mama, man. Next letter? Yes, you tell me. It's N. Correct. So N makes sound N. 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 Nose. N. Nest. You getting it? We are moving on to the next letter, which is letter O. How does O make sound? O makes O. See? O. हम generally कैसे बोलते हैं? O. O. We say O. But the sound is not O. The sound is O. Orange. O. O. Orange. O. O. Ox. Okay? Now let's move on to the next letter. After O, we have P. You're right. So how does P make sound? P says P. P. This is again a mixture of P and F sound. Okay? This is not purely P. It's P. Okay? So like the way Britishers speak it, you need to say pen. Okay? Parrot. So this is a very common mistake. We say pen, we say parrot. So you need to say pen, parrot. The next letter we have is, yes, Q. So how does Q make sound? Q sound is kyo, 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 cushion, kyo, kyo, quill, kyo, kyo, quilt. You got it? Okay, good. So now we have our next letter, R. How does R make sound? R says R. 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 Rose. R. R. Rat. So now we'll move on to our next letter. The next letter is S. Okay? तो अब S देखिए कैसे sound करता है. S makes S. 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 Sun. S. Yes, sunflower. Good. तो अब हमारा next letter है T. T. T says T. 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 Tomato. T. T. Tiny tots. Yes. Here we have our next letter, which is U. So U says umbrella, got it? Now, which is our next letter, bachas? It's V. You're right. So how does V make sound? ध्यान से देखेंगे आप सब. V makes V. V. Again, my upper teeth are touching my lower lip. Okay? और मेरे दांतों के बीच में से हवा निकल रही है. देखिए कैसे. V. 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 Vase. V. Van. Got it? Okay. So now we have our next letter, which is W. How does W make sound? W says wa. 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 Watch. Okay. So this is the difference between the sound of V and V. W. Sorry. It's V and wa. Okay. So I think now you got a very clear understanding of the sound of V and W. Our next letter is, yes, X. Very good. So how does X make sound? X makes, it's a sound of actually two letters kind of. You can sound of K and S. Okay. तो K और S को जब हम मिला देंगे तो वो बन जाएगा X. X. तो हम उसको कैसे बोलते हैं? X. 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 Box. Okay. X. X. X-ray. So this is the sound of X. Our next letter is letter Y. How does Y make sound? Y says Y. 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 Yellow. Y. Yacht. Our next letter is, you're right, it's Z. And how does Z make sound? It's Z. Z. जैसे हनी भी करती है ना, कैसे करती है? Z. तो that is the sound of letter Z. तो मजा आया ना? Yes. So now what we are going to do? We'll sing a song of phonic sounds. Okay? You might have heard that song. Let's practice with that song again. Shall we start? Okay, good. Look at the pictures and sing the song with me. Start करें बेटा? Very good. तो A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for doll. Doll. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hat. Hat. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pen. Pen. Q is for cushion. Cushion. R is for rat. Rat. S. Yes. S is for sun. Sun. T is for ten. Ten. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vase. Vase. W is for watch. Watch. X is for box. Box. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Z is for zoo. Yes. Z is for zoo. Zoo. अब बड़ा मजा आया ना? Yes, even I enjoyed thoroughly with you all. So kids, what we have learned today, we can practice it this way also. Okay? Just one more song. Sing with me. Abacad, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Isn't it very simple? The way you sing ABC song, you can sing phonics song. So kids, keep watching, keep enjoying and keep learning this video. Okay, don't forget to practice every day. I'll be back with another video next week. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't trouble your parents. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.